Arlo wire-free cameras are the first and only smart home security system with crystal clear HD video and 100% wire-free, which can be used indoors or outdoors. Arlo is easy to use and installs in under 10 minutes. To begin the installation, first connect the base station to your router using the provided Ethernet cable. Then connect the power adapter and turn the base station on. If you plan to use a mobile device, download the Arlo app by searching Arlo in the App Store for iOS and Google Play for Android. Launch the mobile app or navigate to arlo.netgear.com from a computer. To set up your cameras, first insert the batteries. Make sure to pay close attention to the battery polarity. Now create your Arlo account for secure access to your cameras. Click New System Setup. Select Arlo Base Station and wait for the app to discover your base station. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete your account setup. Be sure to sync one camera at a time. Before connecting your Arlo cameras to the base station, be sure to bring your cameras within 3 feet or 1 meter of the base station. Press the sync button on the side of the base station, then wait for the sync status LED to blink green. Now press the sync button on top of the camera until the blue LED blinks. If sync is successful, the blue LED on the camera will blink rapidly. If the LED on the camera blinks orange, you'll need to resync your camera. We recommend completing the camera setup before mounting it on the wall or any other surface. Since Arlo cameras are 100% wire-free and indoor-outdoor, they can easily be placed almost anywhere inside or outside the home. Arlo cameras have a flat base and can be placed on a flat surface, like a bookshelf, or mounted to the wall using a magnetic camera mount. The supplied magnetic wall mount can be secured by using the provided hardware. Optionally, you can purchase adhesive with a minimum 6-pound rating from your local hardware store. For optimal motion detection performance, it's recommended to place your cameras at least 7 feet above the floor, aimed slightly down. If you're mounting this into drywall, be sure to use the provided drywall anchor. Make sure the mount is snug on the wall, then simply place your camera on the mount. Arlo comes with 7 days of free cloud recordings, and if you'd like to further expand your system to support more cameras or storage, there are various subscription upgrades available. Be sure to verify your email before your setup is complete. Your Arlo system is now set up and ready to go.